Have you ever had that moment where you check your bank account and think, bro, where did my money even go? Yeah, same. And honestly, that was the moment I realized something's got to change. Not tomorrow, not next year, today. Because here's the truth nobody tells you when you're young. You don't build wealth in big leaps. You build it in tiny, repeatable habits you do every single day. Even if you're broke right now, even if you're just starting your first job, even if you're still figuring your life out. So today, we're going through 15 small habits that make you smarter with money every single day. The kind of habits that quietly move you from, I'm trying to survive, to, yo, I'm actually in control now. And trust me, if you stick around till the end, you'll walk away with a simple, daily routine that's genuinely life-changing. Let's get into it. Habit 1. Spend 5 minutes tracking yesterday's money. This is the one habit that changed everything for me. Every morning, before I even touch my phone, I quickly check what I spent yesterday, what I expected to spend, and what surprised me. 5 minutes, super quick. It gives you instant accountability and helps you stop those sneaky $10 to $20 leaks that add up and completely wipe out your savings. If you do this daily, you'll start seeing patterns you didn't even know existed. Habit 2. Ask yourself, is this worth an hour of my life? Whenever you want to buy something, clothes, snacks, new headphones, hit pause and ask, how many hours of work is this? And is it worth that? This instantly breaks emotional spending, and it makes your money feel real, not just numbers disappearing from a card. Habit 3. Automate one tiny transfer every week. Look, you don't need to save $200 a week, but you can save $5 or $10 or even $2. The amount doesn't matter. What matters is that it's automatic. Wealth isn't built by willpower. It's built by systems. Habit 4. Build a no questions asked emergency cushion. If you've ever had something break or needed to pay for something unexpected, you already know how stressful it is to be unprepared. Start small. Your goal is $200. That's it. Once you hit that, aim for $500, then $1,000. This little cushion is the difference between panic and peace. Habit 5. Check your bank apps like you check TikTok. Okay, not literally. You don't need to scroll endlessly. But check your balance once a day. Money avoids people who avoid money. Confidence comes from awareness. Habit 6. Do one thing that makes you more valuable every day. Ask, what skill can I improve that will make me more valuable in the future? It could be learning Excel, improving communication, watching one finance video, reading 3 pages of a book. Wealth grows when you grow. Habit 7 is the one wealthy students swear by. Habit 7. Always know your bare minimum number. Your bare minimum number equals the amount you need to survive monthly. Rent plus food plus transport plus phone. Knowing this gives you clarity and protects you from overspending. Most people have no idea what their number is, and that's why they're stressed. Habit 8. Treat your first $1,000 like it's sacred. Your first $1,000 saved is not for spending. It's not for celebrating. It's not for a new outfit. It's the foundation of every decision you'll make after. If you can protect your first 1,000, you can protect your future wealth too. Habit 9. Set a daily no-spend window. This one is surprisingly powerful. Pick a few hours every day where you don't spend money at all. No ordering food, no online shopping, no random snacks. Creating small boundaries builds massive discipline. Habit 10. Learn one thing about investing every week. You don't have to invest every day, but learning one tiny thing, 3-minute video, short article, simple definition, compounds like crazy. Because one day, you'll finally understand enough to start. And that's when everything shifts. Habit 11 is the one that stops lifestyle creep instantly. Habit 11. Upgrade slowly, not instantly. Just because you start making more does not mean you spend more. That's lifestyle creep, and it destroys young people financially. Stay at your current spending level for a while. Let your income rise while your lifestyle stays steady. That gap is where wealth grows. Habit 12. Have a weekly money reset. Every Sunday, sit down for 10 minutes and reset your budget. Review your subscriptions. Check upcoming expenses. Look at next week's goals. This keeps you in control and reduces anxiety. Life feels less chaotic when your money isn't all over the place. Habit 13. Practice buy it tomorrow. If you want something, don't buy it today. Say, I'll buy it tomorrow if I still want it. Most of the time, you won't. This habit alone saves you hundreds every year. Habit 14. Surround yourself with people who respect money. Pay attention. If your friends pressure you to spend, or clown you for saving, or make fun of investing, that environment will keep you broke. Hang around people who ask questions, save money, think long-term, support your goals. Your mindset changes with your circle. Habit 15. Start every morning with one wealth thought. Literally, pick one. I control my money. I'm building wealth slowly. Future me deserves this effort. I make smart decisions with money. This isn't cringe, it's programming. Wealth starts in your mind before it ever shows in your bank. Because here's the real secret. Wealth isn't about being rich. It's about being in control. It's about knowing that whatever life throws at you, you can handle it. These 15 habits aren't huge, they're not flashy, but they're powerful. And if you practice even 3 of them consistently, your money, your confidence, and your future will look completely different in a year. So here's your challenge. Try these habits for the next 30 days. Pick 3. Stick to them. Watch what happens. If you're ready to level up, hit subscribe, join the community, and let's build wealth the smart way, one day at a time. Let's grow together.